Welcome, I'm using Nokia G50, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the power saving mode. So to get started, let's just simply pull our notification panel down and locate the battery saver, which for me is right over here. And you can either tap on it to immediately turn it on, or you can also hold it, which will take you to the settings of it. So here we have just a typical battery saver, the normal one, which when you click on it, as I just did, you can see we have a bunch of different things that we can toggle on and off with this, which actually is a fairly comprehensive list right here that allows you to change different things. So we have changed from 5G to 4G, disable face unlock, turn off location. That's a good one to have on, and disable notification on lock screen, and so on. So obviously, majority of those will give you some extra battery life when you have them on, or technically off when you turn on the battery saver. And additionally, you can also have the super battery saver, which is the cracked up version of it, which basically makes your phone virtually useless. As you can see, there we go, there's our home screen. It's completely mainstreamed to be an iPhone clone out of, well, first generation without any wallpaper, and only bare minimum of access like messages, contacts, and phones. You can obviously add a couple additional apps, but any kind of additional app will also consume more battery, and this mode is just for battery saving, and that's basically the primary concern of it. Now, anyway, once you want to leave this mode, instead of pulling down your notification panel, which apparently does not exist here, you want to click on this exit button. And as you can see, it will go back to normal mode. So anyway, that's the two modes right here, and when you want to activate one of those, or the normal one, you just need to click on that toggle like I just did. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.